Okay. See how smoky it is? Strong too. Anyway, back to regular scheduled programming. The flowers aren't out yet. Normally I go over there, but it's not even in its best form. I gotta come in May. So yeah, we're just gonna go get food, enjoy myself, treat myself. They have like a health cafeteria, but you know. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to Joy Serendipity. If you're new here, definitely subscribe. You won't regret it. And it still has flavor. So shout out to that brand. But yeah. Look at it, guys. Look at my view. So beautiful. Hold on, let me let y'all get just a moment to look without dropping my phone in the water. Let's not jinx myself. Okay. Look how beautiful it is. Take a moment to take it in. Okay, we're gonna continue because I'm gonna take you guys with me. I am pretty close. Hold on. Okay. Good thing I wore comfortable shoes because last time I didn't and my feet were killing me. So gorgeous outside. It's gorgeous. It lets you get up pretty close here. Obviously, they don't want kids this close because kids don't know how to stop. But yeah, do not feed the animals. So gorgeous out here. I have a Zoom call soon, so I low-key might take it right here, but so beautiful. Yeah.
Please. Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Thank you so much.
I'll take a few.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I will always take pictures for people. I'm sorry, but if you don't If you have an attitude, if someone asks you to take a picture of them, you're a hater. That's just my opinion. I always make sure. Y'all, hold on. I didn't even realize I was this close. Hi, babies. You must be nesting. I am so sorry. Let me let you be, girl and boy. I'm up here minding my own business whole time. She has to be nesting. Yeah, here's my business. Y'all see how I just minded my business with those animals? It's so easy. So easy. I feel like this is a section I love to come to. I think it's actually over there. Normally there's hella butterflies, guys, and that's literally my favorite. I love butterflies. But don't feed the animals, period. We're gonna go this way and see if we can find some butterflies. They have like a significant meaning to me. So getting my steps in the process. And then I'm gonna eat. Your girl's gonna eat after this because I'm starving. Spring is literally for new beginnings, and I feel like my life is about to change for the good. Here, let me take y'all to my favorite part, actually. One of my favorites. Outside of the butterfly thing, we're gonna go to the actual, like, garden. You can see where I'm coming from. You can't see where I'm going. We're going back here. There's not a lot that grows. Everyone knows things don't start sprouting till like, what time of the year? May, because April showers for May flowers. Oh no, is my favorite part locked off? We're gonna try the other way. It's a greenhouse, guys. I think the other door may work. So, pull my pants up because I'm short and I don't like them dragging. Okay. I'm gonna get gravel in my... Cool. Okay. We're gonna go in here. I get deja vu here, guys, because this time I was with someone, but we aren't even gonna let that stop me from enjoying things I used to enjoy. This is the greenhouse. This is all the plants they started off with. There's a dancing lady orchid. Can you guys see it? Those are orchids already. Look up there. Hold on, guys. Pause. kind of show you guys all the actual plants. Okay. So this is a sun gold Italian giant dancing lady orchid. Basil. I have some of that started at my place. Thyme. One of the easiest plants to grow, honestly. We have fig. Italian honey fig. Emerald wave. Sweet bay. Orange.
This one is good. This one.
We have Santo Domingo. There's drying herbs back there, honestly. The bees aren't out and popping right now though, guys, because literally, hold on, pause. Okay, guys, we're continuing. Okay. Let's continue. Okay. Low-key, I will cut this early to go get some food. That's how hungry I am. But it smells like something's grilling, to be honest. My pedicure looks so cute right now. I could not wait to bring out the sandals, guys. I tried so hard to wait. There is something in my shoe that like keeps like... There we go. So normally I go on that bridge, but I'm gonna cut it early just because I want to go get food. I haven't eaten all day. So I'll just show you guys the bridge. Wait, did I have it there? Okay. So you walk around, you can walk around like over there. But that's the bridge that you walk on. It's so cute. My dream is to get like engaged, like proposed to or married in a botanical garden. Cheesy, I know, but engaged, like proposed to or married in a botanical garden. Cheesy, I know, but Yeah. Or like, it doesn't have to be extravagant. I just don't want like a huge crowd. Like, do it between us so it's like, what do you call it? Intimate. I don't want like something huge. Like, please don't. Simple. I think something's on fire. Like all that smoke I've been smelling. Hold on. You can see the smoke too. Ooh, that's good lighting though. Hello. Okay. See how smoky it is? Strong too. Anyway, back to regular scheduled programming. The flowers aren't out yet. Normally I go over there, but it's not even in its best form. I gotta come in May. So yeah, we're just gonna go get food, enjoy myself, treat myself. They have like a health cafeteria, but you know, we'll see if I want something there. I've eaten here once. If not, I'm gonna go get some real food. No. See what I just left in my shoe. See what I just left in my shoe. So look at this, guys. Lighting. Look at this right here. If you need to know when to take pictures, where to take pictures, make sure the light's behind the camera and you have like a cute background. Yeah. Don't say I never gave y'all anything. We're almost there. Almost there.
You can only watch them not play them. Yeah, because there are a lot of kids here, right?
I wonder how many steps I walked just in this short process. My pants are like dragging. Anyone else who's like short, do you guys have issues with that? That's the only reason I don't like flare pants. Because they drag on the ground and get dirty super fast. Y'all see this? Okay, so this background. Perfect place to get pictures. Perfect place. Right there. That's where you would tell the person to take the picture. Super cute. I'm gonna show y'all just because I gotta go some time. So you got the bushes behind you, even though the sun's not completely out. Boom, boom. Background is cute. And that's how you do it. Okay, let's go look in their cafeteria to see if they have anything. One of my favorite trees is a weeping willow. I know that sounds like depressing, but like when I have my own house with my family, I want one, and then I want like a tree swing in it to where the kids like play on the tree swing.
Is that okay?
Okay, we made it back, so I'm gonna show you guys their cafeteria. Not ready to hear that sound yet. But anyone else wish there was not, like, why do we have to go to work? We get 2 days off, technically 1, to enjoy our lives, and then the rest we're spending it giving it to the man. Okay, so we're in the cafeteria. It's going too fast, so I'm gonna show you guys what they have. Okay, so they have power bowls, Jello. I haven't had Jello in years. It actually sounds good. Turkey BLT wrap. I don't like bacon though. I think we're gonna go somewhere else to get food. Just because, you know, places like this, I know they charge an arm and a leg. And why do that if it's not completely what I want? So, yeah. Yeah. We're gonna go back to my car. I'm gonna pause the live because live likes to get you in trouble, even if you're not driving, live will stop you because they see you behind the steering wheel. So whatever. I'm gonna go back to my car. I was hoping to do my Zoom out here, but I don't think it's time yet. I forgot what time it's at, so we'll just do it. I don't know. I don't want to go home yet. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get back in my car. So this was fun. Normally my lives are like lit, but it's supposed to be a calming Sunday.